Hello everyone, welcome back to class. So we will do today new chapter. The name of the chapter is Soil, Erosion and Conservation. What is the name? Soil, Erosion and Conservation. Soil, you have seen our earth crust upper layer. Soil is the topmost layer, it is known as soil. And erosion, what is the erosion? Means flowing away of the soil. Erode means it goes away. Soil goes away, erodes, it goes away. That is known as erosion. And next one is conservation. So we have to prevent it from eroding. So we have to prevent it. We have to take care how to prevent it from eroding the soil. Conserve it, that is known as conservation. So we will deal with this chapter now. What is soil? First we will know. Everywhere in a world, in your daily life, you are seeing that when you are moving here and there, that soil is there. Everywhere outside you are seeing that soil is there. Yes. So soil is very important for us. This soil is very important for us. For important natural resources. So what you can say? Soil is an important natural resources. First thing what you have learned that soil is an important natural resources. Soil is natural resources that we are not making that soil. Naturally it is coming, no? So soil is the natural resources, understood? So in this soil what you are seeing that many animals live in this soil. Many animals like earthworm, other animals, ants, all this live in the soil. So soil is very important and soil is the layer of the earth crust. What is that? Sand. And in this earth crust, soil is made up of topmost layer. Soil is the topmost layer, yes. Topmost layer of the earth crust. That you have learned already. What you have learned that soil is the topmost layer of the earth crust. It consists of, and this soil consists of what? Stones are there and air, water and dead remaining of part of plant and animal. Understood? So this thing you have already learned that soil is the upper layer of the earth crust. You are seeing the layer of earth crust, upper layer, that is known as soil. And this soil is made up of. What are the things? How does soil made? Soil is made up of what? Stone, sand, dead decaying of the animal and plant. Stone, sand, dead decay of animal and plant. Clear to you all? And this soil is a natural resources. Soil is what? Natural resources. So first you have learned it is the topmost layer. Topmost layer. Topmost layer of the earth. Okay. And it is made up of what? Soil is made up of stone, sand, animal and plants. What are the animal of plants? Dead decay of animals and plants. Dead decay of animals and plants. All these things need to made up of soil. Now our uppermost layer of the earth is known as soil. It is made up of what? Crust. It is made up of what? Crust. Clear it is? So you can say that uppermost layer of the earth is known as soil and it is made up of crust. Clear? And one thing more you have learned that soil is made up of what? Sand, stones and also earth, water, sand, stone, earth, water and death decay of animal and plant. Soil is a natural resources. Soil is, we are not making the soil. It is a natural resources. And many animals also live in this soil. Many animals, home places there. Many animals lives in this soil. Name of the, you can say earthworm, ant, etc. animals live in this soil. Plant also grow in the soil. Outside you have seen so many plant is there. Where it has grown. Soil is needed to grow in the plant. Example you can see. This one is one flower pot. Yes, in this pot what is that? Soil is there and I have planted this plant. So this plant flower is also there. It is looking so nice. Who has given this plant? This soil. If soil is not there, then we can plant this plant. No. We can get this beautiful flower. No. So this soil, we have soil and this soil help us to plant this plant and we have planted and plant came out and so beautiful flower also came out. So soil also help us to plant a plant. Soil also help the plant to grow. What you are seeing that soil help this plant to grow. Outside also you can see all these things. Soil help the plant to grow. Understood? And plant to grow soil. Plants are the source of food of the other animal. Many plants are there, that is the food of the source of the other animal. Herbivorous animal, they eat the plant. We also eat the plant. So it is the source of the many plants. Leaves we are eating, branches we are eating, many plants are there. So it is the source of the food for the animal. So from where we get this plant? If soil is not there, then we can grow a plant. No, soil is very necessary to grow a plant. It helps us to plant to grow in the soil. Animals also, many animals that lives in this soil. If soil is not there, animals also can't able to live there in the soil. So it is very important in our life. Soil is very important. And from plant we are getting so many things we are getting. Food we are getting from plants, gums we are getting and many other things we are getting. Wood we are getting from plants, tree plants. If soil is not there, then plant can't grow and we will not able to get all these things. And we will not able to survive in this world. We will not able to survive in this world. So you have learned that it is so important for our life. It is so, soil is so important. It is a natural resources, but it also have its important. It is very important for us. So animals depends on the food. Yes, we also depends on the food. We are getting food, some foods from the plant. Many foods, rice, pulses, all are plant. From plant we are getting all these things. If soil is not there, that plant can't grow and we are also can't able to take this food and we were also not able to survive in this world. If soil is not there, herbivorous animal will not get their plant to eat. They will not also survive in this soil. So you have learned that it is very important in our life. soil is very important in our life. Okay, so what you have learned today? You have learned first topic, that about soil. What is the soil? How soil came? It is the layer of the earth crushed. What is the soil made up of? Soil is made up of sand, earth, water, stone and dead decay of plant and animal. Okay. Next you have learned that soil is a natural resources. What is soil? Soil is the natural resources. And many animals that lives in this soil. What are the animal that lives on the soil? And okay, earthworm, etc. They lives in the soil. And soil also helps the plant to grow. Soil helps the plant to grow. Example also I have shown you. This plant, it is grown in the soil. If soil is not there, this plant can't able to grow, and we will also not get this nice flower with this plant. So what you have learned, that soil help the plant to grow. Outside you can go and you can see that so many plants are there. How? This plant came out from the soil. So soil is needed for plant to grow. And soil gives food to the many animal. And it also soil many animal. Why? Because plant grow, this plant is used by many animal. Herbivorous animal eat the plant. They use as a food. We also getting many things from the plant. Pulses, rice, many things. If soils are not there, so these all things we will not get, and it will be not able to survive us. So we have learned that soil is very important. Soil is having very important role. It is very important to have a soil in this world, and it helps us in so many ways. Okay. Now next topic is how soil is formed. This soil is important. Now you have to know how soil is formed. So this one next day we will deal with that. Okay, today this much. Okay, bye bye student. Okay students, see you.